Hey everybody, Mike Whiteside and it's Black Dog Salvage, and it's time for the Daily Dog. I'm down at the Price Filler Machine Shop, and that is Tay Whiteside in the background. All right, he's moving in and moving some of his stuff over from Black Dog to his new shop, which is going to be a nice fabricating facility, which is the new era has begun. And I just want to walk you through this because it is so cool what he's doing. And if you guys want to see what this space looked like, go back to one of our episodes that featured coming in here and pulling some equipment out. And Dale Wilkinson and myself bought this place, and we were Tay's going to be renting it, and hopefully someday buying it. But he's been working hard, and if you have any reference on it, you can really tell what we've done or what he's done. I haven't had as much to do with it for sure. He's done it all. So Tay,
you want the grand tour?
Yeah, give us a little shot of what's going on here, because just gave everybody a little outline of what you've done and kind of where it started, and go from there.
So this is the old Price Filler Machine Shop. It was built in 1917. It's right here in downtown Roanoke. In fact, a part of a string of buildings that was once allegedly part of what housed Roanoke's horse and carriage fleet back in the day. But it's been a functioning machine shop for about 75 years. It's 3,700 square feet. The ceilings are 15 feet tall. And
that's some good fabrication space.
Yeah, it's got giant, I guess 16 or 18 inch tall I-beams that have gantries hanging from them. A lot of the equipment was line shaft driven, which means there's a giant rotating shaft in the ceiling driven by a single motor.
Watch
your ankles. That's there's probably only a handful of people left that are familiar with a line shaft shop, but basically before electric motors were a feasible and affordable option to put on each machine, you would buy one electric motor for the entire shop, mount it in the ceiling, and have it drive a long shaft with various belts and pulleys on it. And if you wanted to transmit power to a machine, you would run a pulley to the machine through a series of clutches. That's a 100-year-old Westinghouse 3-phase AC motor. And here's
that Nicholas Tesla built that motor.
Nicholas, Saint Nick.
Yeah.
But here's one of the clutch systems. So one of these wheels will be spinning the whole time, and you grab a big wooden lever and go ka-chunk, and you transmit power from those pulleys down to your lathe or your milling machine or any of that. So I have a few pieces that are going to be brought back to life. Actually, Robin Clark, one of Dad's good friends, spent some time working in a line shaft shop, and he wants to help me set some of those back up.
Well, I'm telling you what, this place looks great. The walls are been pressure washed and cleaned, and
so all this is fab shop.
So this is going to be fab shop. You're going to have on this side will be the metal shop, right? Because that's where the equipment is, and on the other side you'll have some woodworking facilities.
Woodworking, automotive, blend of a few things.
Yeah.
And then here, you walk into the bathroom, have a toilet sink, walk-in shower, and then you walk right through into the office, which again, 15-foot ceilings. We framed the walls to where half the skylight can shine into the office. And then this big opening here will house two industrial metal frame windows that we get from Black Dog.
Yeah, see, we got him shopping at Black Dog now.
Right. And the doors. I'm going to get some 7-foot tall doors from Black Dog as well.
That's right.
So this is editing area, my desk and computers and whatnot.
Now, when you say editing, you didn't tell you what you're going to be doing here. You're going to be doing video.
Yeah, so my company's Arc Studios, and we do fabrication and video production. So me and a few other guys will be doing video projects, and I'll be running the fab shop. And then up here will be a conference table and whatever else, wall art.
Memorabilia.
Yeah, I got this giant wall here. I can put anything.
It's going to be fun to put stuff on there.
Yeah.
Well, listen, Well, I just we're bringing stuff over today. It's kind of move out, move in day for us. We've been storing a lot of this stuff for a year.
Thank you.
And it's we have to move it now because we're doing some renovation over at our place, and it's ready. So
new slab. That's why it's ready. We finally got concrete.
Yeah, and that was a big undertaking, but it's here. It's getting ready to get going, and hopefully it's going to move real fast from here on out.
That's it.
So anybody, y'all take care of yourself. I just wanted to share this with you because it's part of the Daily Dog.
Yeah, thanks for bringing the people here.
Yeah, man. So liftarcstudios.com. That's where you'll find. That's where you'll find Tay.
Facebook, Instagram, YouTube.
He's still part of Black Dog, but in spirit.
Yeah, of course. And if you want to see how we got to this point, find The Machine Shop. It's a YouTube channel on YouTube. And we've chronicled the overhaul of the building since day one. So follow along. I'm posting videos every week, just like he is now. I got him on the video train.
Right.
Got to give the people what they want.
Well, I don't know if this is what they want, but I'm giving it to you anyway.
You get to tell them what they want.
That's right. Anyway, just stay tuned, everybody. It's a lot of cool stuff happening, and I just wanted to share it with you. Y'all
Awesome.
Take care of yourself, make somebody smile, and we'll see you when it goes around one more time.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for hanging out.